Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make a berry cobbler. Today I'm using blueberries. You can use any kind of fruit you'd like. This is what I had. They're frozen blueberries. So let's get this started. First, you're going to need a cup of flour. You can use fresh fruit as well. And you're going to need a cup of sugar. And a cup of milk. You're going to combine that all together in a bowl. Use a whisk. It's easier to combine everything, mix everything together, get all the lumps out. Okay, and then you're going to take half a stick of melted butter and pour that into your mixture. Half stick, 4 tablespoons, just to reference. And you're going to whisk that all together. Cobblers are like one of my favorite summertime desserts. Something about berries and fresh fruits, and granted mine aren't fresh, but I like fruit desserts in the summertime. Okay, once that's all fully combined together and all the lumps are pretty much taken out, you are going to lightly, I think I'm going to switch my pan. We got a smaller pan. You can use butter or cooking spray. You're just going to grease the bottom of the pan. Good whisk. And pour that into your pan. Before you even begin, preheat your oven at 350, and then once you've poured your batter into the pan, you're going to top it with your berries. Just sprinkle that over the mixture. This is about 2 cups of blueberries, so you can use 2 cups of mixed berries, 2 cups of strawberries. Oh boy, and it's making a huge mess. So 2 cups, about 2 cups of your berry choice. Wash my hands. And now you are going to take a 1/4 cup of sugar plus another 2 tablespoons. So, and you're just going to sprinkle it on top of everything. Give it a nice good coating of sugar. It's going to look like a lot, but it just makes a nice crust on top as it bakes. And then you're going to stick that in a 350-degree oven and you're going to bake it for an hour. And maybe like 10 or 15 minutes before it's done baking, you're going to remove it from the oven and sprinkle more sugar on top. So I will be back with that. Once it's time, so I will see you in about 50 minutes. Okay, it's a little less than 15 minutes left of baking. I'm going to pull it out, sprinkle some more sugar on top, set it back in and let it finish baking. In the meantime of letting it bake, I made some homemade whipped cream. If you'd like to check that out, check out my video for making whipped cream. It's just a quick video, not even of me talking. So let's take this out of the oven. Take a look at it. Looks so good. Look at that. You're gonna take a tablespoon, take 2 more tablespoons of sugar, and sprinkle it again on top. It's gonna make a nice crust. You can also serve it with ice cream, vanilla ice cream. That's very good too. Seems like a lot of sugar, yes, but it makes it so freaking good. Until you try it. Okay, let's pop that back in the oven and finish up the time. About another 12 minutes and it should be good. Timer is about to go off and I will be removing it from the oven. I'll show you the finished product. Get ready for that. This is what the finished product looks like. It looks absolutely delicious. I suggest letting it cool a tiny bit, but it is better served warm. I do warm mine up every time I cut a piece into it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you like and subscribe down below. Every week I do a new video and I'd love for you to join me. Thanks for watching, guys.